Greetings from Mark Hoverson. Hope you are doing well. And I am speaking to you on behalf of Global Resorts real quick. I want to show you something inside our membership. This is the Ridge on Sedona Golf Resort. And it is a 2.5-star RCI property, which means it's decent. You look at photos, it's situated right in Sedona, and it's got the outside pool. You're going to have your full, let's see, here's your sleeping room, has a balcony, and it has its own sitting area, its own TV. You're going to have a living room, a kitchen, the whole 9 yards. And I went on Expedia for the exact dates of over 4th of July, which is kind of a premium travel time. Friday night, $199, Saturday night, $199, blah, 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 blah. If you booked through Expedia for this Sedona, which is about an hour, actually, it's about 2 hours from the Grand Canyon. If you were to book it from the 1st to the 8th in January, you are going to get, with Expedia's special rate, $1,013.85. Now, that is the lowest I found online. I also went to, that was if you were going to rent a car, but I went to another popular website called buyatimeshare.com. And if you were to buy this in a timeshare, they're asking $14,000 for it. I highlighted it right there. $14,000, and this is for, if you look down here, it's for biannual odd years. So it's every other year. You pay $14,000 and you get to use it 1 week every other year, plus you're paying $350 every year no matter what. So here's the prices. If you were going to rent it, it's very comparable to what Expedia was going to be, $1,100 for the week. Now, you go inside our Global Resorts membership, and this is the identical property, literally the identical property. You can see the pictures here are the same property. It's on a golf course. And what you're going to pay for the same exact unit, Sleeps 4, July 1st to July 8th, you're paying $398 total. There's no taxes on top of that. It's $398, and that is for 7 full nights. So here's just a very practical way that how this membership changes lives, and we really, in some sense, we are marketing happiness as far as I'm concerned. Here's why: because you're saving roughly $700, and what you could do is, it's 2 hours away from Phoenix, it's 2 more hours to the Grand Canyon, you have 7 days. What you can do is, I went to enterprise.com, and if you were to rent a car, let's just say you do a decent car, you rent a minivan, it's like getting the resort with the full kitchen, with the whole gamut. Grand Canyon a couple hours away, golf course. Sedona's got tons of hiking. It would be over 4th of July weekend. You could do, the city always does 4th of July fun things like every city does. You get yourself a minivan, packed a couple kids in there, and it's like getting a minivan completely for free for the whole week. If you flew into Phoenix, which would probably be $200 to $300 per ticket. If you flew out of Phoenix, you would get like the minivan for free. Or if it was driving distance, it'd be like you have $700 of play money, and because you have fridges and you have these kind of accommodations, you can save a ton. You won't have to go out to eat much because you've got a condo. And basically, here's my point, and here's what my takeaway is. With our product, because of this low price, it's not like it doesn't just save people money on vacations. It causes people to go on vacation. This week is going to be snatched up by someone in GR, and it's guaranteed. And what it's going to do is it's going to create a radically fond memory over 4th of July. The weather is moderate. It'll be an Arizona 90, which is a dry heat. It's just going to be a great weekend for somebody. It's going to cost $398. And it's not that it's just saving them $700. It's causing them to go on vacation where they wouldn't go otherwise. That's part of the glory of Global Resorts Network. So if you're watching this video, get back to the person that referred you to it and just ask them to see more examples of different places in our membership. But right here, you're saving it looks like about 66% over the cheapest thing online. Mark Overson signing out.